All right, the next few days, we're gonna be doing some cruising. We're gonna be doing some exploring, maybe some fishing. We're cruising down Florida's Intercoastal Waterway, and if nothing else, we're gonna have some fun, that's for sure.
It's alright, it's okay. Bris is traveling today.
Oh yeah, baby.
It's alright, it's okay. Across the country.
Taking out the Lily Bella and the little Bris, and we are now headed towards Big Lagoon. We may have a storm tonight and tomorrow. It looks like the winds are going to be coming from the south tonight, pretty healthy, and then by morning they're going to be coming from the north. So it starts out from the south, and then by 8 o'clock in the morning it's pounding from the north. So really got to find an anchorage that is good from north and south. So I'm headed towards Big Lagoon. When we get there, you'll see what I'm talking about. Headed down the ICW. I gotta do something about those solar wires. It just looks horrible. Cool, and the little Bris now has the wheels on it. It's a beautiful day. It started out really foggy. Just buzzing along at about 7 miles an hour. Pick it up a little bit. Here's the bridge from both Bris to Pensacola Beach. You can see they took the old bridge and made it a fishing bridge. Pensacola Bay is quite the body of water. You can actually get pretty rough seas in here sometimes, as you'll see in some of my early videos. Today is pretty calm and pretty nice. Got this big barge, 2 of them being pulled, and I'm not sure if they're going the same narrow area I am down the Intercoastal. Dolphins right out here. Looks like they're eating. Whole bunch of them. Wow. This is our anchorage. It's so awesome. It's super protected. It's going to be a great couple of days in here. Can't wait. Look at the water in this anchorage. It's absolutely unbelievable. Wow. Yep. Brody and the boys down in Australia would call this dead glassy. Absolutely beautiful out. One other boat in the anchorage. I'm also going to look up on top of that hill. I'll take you guys up there and see what's on top of that. That is an island right there. It's just a giant sand dune. All right, I'll show you all a couple of things that have changed since the last time I was out. Got a new comforter with a duvet cover. What's nice about that is you can just take that off and wash it. and keep it clean. Here we've got double air, but this is like super warm. It's gonna be kind of chilly out a couple of the nights, not a couple of warm ones, a couple of, 60s, and then we're dropping down to the upper 30s on one night, so we gotta see how that goes. Anyway, the bed's working out. It's so awesome, super comfortable. Nothing else much different up there. I am bringing my home computer. I realized that as I'm hanging out on the ICW, I always have phone service, and I have a hotspot on my phone so I can use my home computer if I need to, check emails or whatever. TV's working way better when you're close to a bigger town like Pensacola and getting all kinds of channels. Last time it was kind of hit or miss. Got this new thing. It fits in there really pretty close. Anyway, I like that. I took out the electric stovetop because it just is cool, and it did some cool stuff, and it would make eggs great and all that stuff. It just didn't make sense, because that's really the only thing you could do with it, and I couldn't see bringing the propane or butane and the electric, and I have under here there's a really nice alcohol setup, so that obviously I don't use like ever. So we're only bringing the butane / propane, because it's dual fuel stove, and that's what I'll be using mainly for everything. Still using the Keurig though. Love that thing. Gotta have a Keurig. The little boat on the solar panel. All these freaking wires. You can see from, if I look from down below, I moved these apart. One of them was kind of overlapping a little bit, and what I've learned is when there's any shading at all of a solar panel, it doesn't just affect the area shaded, it affects the entire panel. You lose like half or more of the output from a little bit of shade. So something to keep in mind. You really want to keep them clear of shade at all if possible. Got my 10 gallons extra gas. Barbecue, I'll be firing that up here in just a few minutes. Everything out here is about the same. Notice on the small boat, I added the launch wheels, and the launch wheels are going to allow me to spring it up on the beach or cross over if something's really shallow. It'll be easy for me to pull the boat over a shallow area or a sandbar or whatever. Just unbelievable here. Just love it. And look, there's like one other boat in the anchorage. So what you see here is this white tub, about 2-3 inches deep. It's for a washing machine, so that you don't have any flooding from your washer. It has a drain. What I did was I drilled holes in each corner, just above, high enough that it can still do what it needs to do, so that I can put bungees in to hold it in place in case it's a storm. But what it is a water collection setup. It's kind of small. It actually works with a tarp that goes over the top of this, but I don't have that with me. I just have this. So what happens is, if it fills with water, it goes down this tube right here, and that tube goes to a 5-gallon water container. So if we get a bunch of rain, which we're expecting in the next couple of days, I think, then we'll see if this actually works. It looks kind of dirty right now, but I would only use this water for like shower and doing dishes and stuff like that, not for drinking. I collect too much, probably way too much salt and who knows what's, you know, kind of little particulate you're gonna pick up in here. So we're talking about that rubber tube. Comes down here and goes to that water reservoir. I've got a couple of those, and I would move that out of the way, of course, whenever I'm underway. Just put it away. Got my oversized bridle there. Anchor's out. Front hatch. I put some rubber over the bracket for the mast, and that'll just peel off of there when I'm ready to put the mast back on. All right, we're gonna try to eat a little bit healthier tonight. I think we're gonna have a big salad with some barbecued shrimp. So we need a tomato. Got hash browns. Spinach. Heck yeah, spinach. I got some blue cheese. I wonder, really kind of fatty, but some regular lettuce. And onion. So we got lettuce, onion, tomato, spinach. And I got a bunch of these big shrimp. They're already peeled and deveined and ready to be barbecued. All right, I think that's all we need for right now. Cool, let's see how this goes. Might as well take those out now. All right, I think we're gonna have a salad with spinach salad, some lettuce as well, onion, tomato, that's what I've got. And then I'm gonna grill this shrimp. So first thing, let's get that barbecue going. Let that baby warm up a bit. There's a lot of shrimp here. Then I think we're going to add the seasoning. This is just a lemon herb or whatever the hell. Lemon and pepper. Okay. Give that a shake with that seasoning. Not too bad, not too much. Let's put them on the grill. Bring it over. These are gonna cook pretty fast. Sweet. Turn the heat up just a little bit. Pretty hot. Not here. Not onion. Oh yeah, baby. Let's turn them over. Yeah. Sweet. And go on our salad. Should be yummy. All right, let's add some shrimp to this salad. I have to put a few on the side. 6 makes it pretty good. 6 is about right. Now I just need another person here. Look at that, man. Now you're talking. I need to get those other ones off the grill. This is a much healthier than what I usually do. I've been being influenced by a good friend to eat healthier, and I am gonna try. Except for the blue cheese dressing on this, not bad. The blue cheese is all I got. Look at that backdrop. I wonder how many days I could stay here. I think I've got food enough to last several days, enough water. If I'm careful about water, and I get some other water for bathing and stuff like that, just for drinking and stuff, like a gallon a day is enough. Maybe a gallon and a half, you know, but not easily a gallon a day if you had to. But that wouldn't include, you know, brushing your teeth or anything. So probably a couple gallons a day. Anyway, I've got like 5 or 6 gallons of fresh water, bottled water, so I can stay at least 4 or 5 days. If we get some rain, that would actually be very cool. And I probably won't stay in the same anchorage, but I do have a lot of exploring around here I want to do. I'm going to go over to this island, see what it's all about. Then I want to go over to this area, and I know what's over there. Fort McRae is over there, but I want to see what's over on this side and around and out that way. What's up between those sand dunes right there and that little sandy beach over there. I want to take the little boat over, kind of explore this area. It's going to be interesting. It's getting later. Go ahead and do one last check outside and make sure everything's good. Just calm as could be. Well, the word is the next couple of days it might get kind of chilly and we might get a lot of rain. Tomorrow should be pretty decent, but tomorrow night it may start raining for like a day and a half. It might get really windy. And I just figure, you know what, man, bring it, because this is going to be fun. I don't care. I'm 63. This makes me feel alive. So let's do this thing. It's going to be a good time no matter what happens. That's what I say. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning, and I just woke up, just sat, wide awake. Just got to check out this moon that's setting. I'll give you a quick look at that. Pretty cool.